This week, there are 4 trading ideas that gives you a right away trading opportunity once the market open. Lots of traders are going to miss it because it falls on a Monday, and it is a common knowledge to most traders that Monday movement market doesn't move as much, and they might be enjoying their weekend and missing this opportunity. And that is why we urge our students to do their own analysis over the weekend so that they will not be caught by surprise when they head back to the chart and realize they have missed all this amazing trading opportunity. So the second pair I'm going to share with you today is the Canada Yen. On the weekly chart, we have a retest of the previous high that happens. Overall movement is rather bullish on the Canada Yen. Daily chart, we can see that this is a strong bullish trend. Counter trend traders might want to hop in for some of the pullback movement to earn some good income. On the 4-hour chart, once again, you can see that we are approaching the previous high of the 4-hour chart and on the 1-hour chart as well. This will be a great opportunity for counter trend traders, and we will look closely to that. Scan this QR code if this is all new to you. Get into our community channel so you can interact with like-minded people and see how these people spend 15 minutes a day plotting chart, setting alerts, and do whatever they want in life after they have done with their analysis. Once you have gained access to our community, the 15 minutes workday, go to verify channel, click the 100 emoji over here to gain more access to our content. Head straight to Traders Cafe. This is where you get to meet like-minded people. Follow this format to introduce yourself so we get to know you better as well. Click the pin message over here, scroll to the bottom, redeem your free training over here. So once you click this link, you gain access to our students portal. As you can see, there are many courses over here, but this is for you for free. In this training, you are able to learn how to read trends the right way. You are able to learn trading strategies you can use right away. You even learn our secret formula on setting the right stop loss and targets level. Practice these strategies on a demo account, which you can get from most trading houses for free. After 90 days, when you see results, you can start trading on a live account. And if you love what you're seeing, you want to learn more about trading, then drop us a DM. We'll see if you are ready to be coached before accepting you as our students. If you scroll down further, this gives you an idea the kind of traders we are. There are 2 groups of trading: structure-based trading and harmonic pattern trading. But both trading follow a same methodology that the second target has to hit a 2-1 ratio, a profit factor of 2, before we head in for a trade. Now, why is this important? Because having a profit factor of 2, we will just need a 40% accuracy rate to be profitable. So that significantly reduces the level of stress most traders has, and it reduces the screen time. We just need to spend 15 minutes in front of the computer and let our smart devices to do the rest of the work. So if this sounds interesting to you, drop us a DM if you are interested to learn how to trade and analyze the market yourself, or simply to receive and gain access to our private trading ideas. Let's head back to our weekly chart and share with you my analysis over here on a bearish shark pattern retest. You can wait for a shorting opportunity at 108.75. Most likely we will be having a RSI divergence when it happens. To the daily chart, well, you can look for a shorting opportunity, of course, a retest at 109.12. For our chart, this is the immediate pattern that caught my interest. The bearish bad pattern that has already completed. You can short it right away once market open. Usually I will just wait for one more bar after the candle open. If the market gap up, I will just ignore this entire trade, which is better. Then I can get myself to focus on the remaining 3 other trading ideas, right? But if it does give me a confirmation that this is a good trade, a shorting at 107.87 would be a perfect entry price for me. And of course, if you're looking for a buying opportunity, a bullish bad pattern completing at 104.67. So this is definitely one of the upsize trade I'm looking closely at once the market open. Busy Monday for myself. 1 hour chart, nothing much. The action will be on the 4 hour chart. So if you love to receive all these trading ideas before the market open, knowing my trade plans and stuff like that, drop me a DM. We will see if you're ready before accepting you as our student.